Managing multiple tasks, deadlines, and team communication can feel overwhelming for project managers. Traditional tools like spreadsheets and email often lead to miscommunication and lost information. JIRA is a project management tool by Atlassian designed to help teams plan, track, and manage their work seamlessly. JIRA's Scrum and Kanban boards allow project managers to visualize workflows, set work in progress limits, and manage sprint backlogs. During sprint planning, teams can estimate story points, adjust scope, and review velocity directly within the tool. Project managers can customize workflows to match their team's processes and integrate JIRA with tools like Confluence, Slack, and developer toolchains. JIRA dashboards offer real-time insights with gadgets for charts, graphs, and progress bars, helping managers identify bottlenecks quickly. Built-in reports on issues, epics, and sprints visualize trends and support continuous improvement. With centralized issue tracking and comment threads, JIRA keeps all project communication in one place, increasing transparency. JIRA's marketplace offers thousands of plugins and apps, enabling project managers to extend functionality for resource planning, time tracking, and road mapping. JIRA streamlines project management by combining planning, tracking, reporting, and collaboration into one platform, empowering managers to deliver projects on time and within budget.